Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Toyota Tacoma front differential fluid change, pretty darn easy. Not this fluid, but you can get a bottle like this with the right fluid with a tip on it, so you can probably just squeeze fluid in the fill hole right here. Should be able to fit up in this hole somehow. Might be messy, but you can do it. Fill hole, drain hole, 10mm Allen head. That on my wrench will break clean. I've already broke them loose. Kind of a gray color, so a good thing we're changing it. It does have a washer on each of these, so be aware of that. Don't lose the washer. Washer on here as well, different size. Boom. So there you go. Drain it. When it's done draining, then just put the plug back in, tighten it up, and then you add your fluid in the fill hole. And when it starts coming out, then it's full enough. Most differentials, they want it filled to the bottom of the hole. So fill it till it comes out. Again, probably buy yourself 3 or 4 bottles. 75 W90, probably synthetic is the best. And put it in there and tighten up your fill plug, and that will be it for your 2017 and several other model years and makes for Toyota, I'm sure. Good luck to you. Pretty easy.